Let us solve this question. The question says find the area under curve using definite integral. But I want to first get without using integral, and then I will use integral, and I will show you, I will compare those two answers. Okay, first of all, the area is right here. I put on a blue color, as you see here. So first of all, we're going to find what's the f of x. The f of x equal to x squared plus 2. So if I put x 0, our y will be 2. That's why we started from our parabola. We started from 2 to all the way top. So they asking us to find the area from 0 to 2, which is covering all this area. So as we do last video, we're gonna divide our uh, area couple shapes, but this one I want to divide it to the two shapes. The first one is gonna be, let me show you. If I take a line from here and connect it all the way to this side, this shape, it looks like a square because this length equal to 2 and this one is 2, so this is square. And the top side, if we take line from here and connect it all the way to the here, it's gonna be a triangle. So I want to find first this area and then add this area and find the total of the area. So if we look here, this triangle, we don't need this area, right? But we need just this side. How are we gonna find just this area? Okay, if we go with the rule of how to find, if you have triangle has straight or right angle, the rule was saying area equal to 1/2, which means if you like line from here, this point, and connect it to here, this one is going to be rectangle. The base will be 2, and this one, or one of the sides, the length will be 2, or width will be 2, and the height or length will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So it will be 4. So if we want to find just this triangle area, we're gonna divide this to the total area of the rectangle by 2, and then multiply by the base of the base of just this triangle, and then we multiply by its height. So the rule is this. So if we substitute the values of the base and the height, we're gonna find, sorry, this one should be height. This is the height. So if we substitute, it's gonna be 1/2 times 1/2 times the base, which is 2, times the height, which is 4. We're gonna use this rule to find the first area, and we're gonna divide the triangle area. When we divided 3 areas, like one and then another one here, and then this, we're gonna take 2 of that areas to be our area. So what I do, the rule I want to follow, I just create myself. The rule says if you want to find just this area, first find the total area of the triangle, which is half times the base times the height square. Because the parabola, or x square, if f of x equal to the x square, every time if x, like if we do like if we do table x and y, if x is 1, if we square y, it's gonna be 1. If x 2, the y will be 4. If we 3, if we square it, it's gonna be 9. So every time the y value will be x squared. So that's why I said the height will be uh, h squared. Okay, times we're gonna divide the triangle area to 3, and then we're gonna take 2 of that area and we're gonna make that area our area. So what I do, this is the result of the triangle. I want to multiply this one, 2/3 of the total area of the triangle, which is like this, 2/3. This is the rule I want to follow to find this area, the blue color area. What are we gonna do? I'll do, I'll say 2/3 times 1/2 times what our base, what's the our base? Our base is 2, right? 2 times the height is 2 square, right? That's what we said. 2, if you square it, 2 is gonna be 4. Or you can say 2 square. Then it's gonna be 2/3 times this one, they cancel out. We have 2 square, just 2 square, which is 4. The result will be 2 times 4/3, which is 8/3. That is just this area, the blue area. Okay, what about this area? This area is very easy. The this is, we said this is square. You multiply this length to this length, which is x squared. A square area rule is, or formula is, s times s, or s squared. So we're gonna follow that formula. We're gonna say the area will be, this is the area 1. We can call area 1. I'm gonna say area 2. 2 times 2. Or you can say 2x. The x will be this height or this length. Okay, 2 times x will be 2 times this length is 2. It's gonna be 2 equal to 4. So the total area equal 8/3 plus 4, which is equal 20/3. That is the total area of this area, the area we put on blue color. Okay, that's the way you can find the area under curve, and you don't need to use integral. But let me try to use integral way and find this area. If we use integral, the integral is going to be like this. The area is starting from 0 to 2, and f of x equal to the x squared plus 2 ex. That's the area we are looking for. And we said the rule is any exponent of x or y or any variable, the exponent you have to add 1. Okay, what we do, we have x squared, so we're going to say x squared. If we add 1, it's going to be 3. And at the same time, you're going to divide this number to the whatever you have here. We're going to say 3 plus this one. And then number 2, it has x here, but the x here has 0 exponent. Anything, if you make its exponent 0, like x0, will be equal 1. So that's why we can see x here, because its exponent is 0. So it's gonna disappear. We're gonna just put the number here. So if take that x, which is its exponent equal to 0, if we add 1, it's gonna be 2x, because this exponent now is 1. So and we need to find the area from 0 to 2. Okay, this equal. If you look just at this part, it looks like what we have here. And this part, it's same like this one. And we're gonna see when we're solving the equation. Okay, if we take 1/3, it looks like you multiply this one x and then x squared, like this rule, right? It's same. You divide, maybe you divided this triangle, this rectangle, 3 parts, and then the this the length, the bottom side length is x, and this height is it's gonna be with x squared. That's why they make x cubed, because they're trying to find whole area, and they want to divide it by 3 and then get the result of just this part area. So it's same, it's close to. And the second one is gonna be just this square. That's why the length is gonna be 2, and then the height is gonna be whatever you have, and here we have 2. So let's try and solve it. Plus 2x from 0 to 2 equal 1/3 times x cubed. We have x here too, right? We're gonna take this number first, and then we're gonna take this one. That's the rule. Okay, we're gonna say 2 cube plus 2 times 2. That was the first part. Minus, we're gonna take the second part, minus 1/3 times 0, x value now is 0, cube, plus 2 times 0. So all this thing is gonna be 0. Just we need this part. So we're gonna say 1/3. If we cube 2, we're gonna have 8 times 8 plus, and this one will be 4. So the total area, if we take the total area, will be 3 over, it's same like here, right? So it's gonna be 20/3. Okay, thank you for your watching.